Sat Sri Akal, Vanakkam, Kimcho, and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. This indeed is a wonderful day, and what makes everything so perfect is the presence of all of you amongst us. I extend a very warm welcome to one and all who has taken out time from their busy schedules and has joined us here today as Socomec brings more for you. Today, we are elated to have all of you here amongst us. Indeed, this is an exciting day for all of us at Socomec. But before we go any further, a shout out to all of you who are watching us today. Well, if you are excited about today's event, do give us a thumbs up in the chat box. Come on, it's time to show us some love, guys. Wow, our chat box is getting flooded with thumbs up by all of you, so I'm sure you all are ready to kickstart this day. Well, trust me, we are equally excited. In this day, I am the Lil Bling, the Lil Shine, your host for the day, MC Dharna, and let's start today's proceedings. I now invite Managing Director, Socomec, Mr. Sushil Vermani, here amongst us.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the show and greetings for New Year 2021. I think we have just been out of 2020, which has been one of the most difficult and challenging year for all of us. None of us have been spared by this pandemic, economically, socially, geographically, and psychologically as well. It has changed the way we have been thinking, we have been working, we have been doing things at home, in office life, in market life, in business as well. All of us have been affected. You know, the world is not the same what was in 2019, or I'll say pre-COVID days. We have seen the impact on everybody's life. 90 million people have been affected and around 2 million people have died. I think in a century, none of us, we have experienced like this. When we see all these things happening around, our businesses also have been affected, whatever, be it developing economies or developed economies or underdeveloping economies, everybody have been affected one way or the other. When we look at our business, Socomec, since we are present in all the continents, so we also have been no exception to it. But somehow our resilience, our strategic intent and actions thereof, our products, our preparedness, very close in coordination among various teams across the continents has helped us to reach to the desired goal of very close to 2019 level. Same in Asia Pacific and same in India. When we come to India, we see that who could imagine 2 quarters away, sometime in April, May, the economy which had taken a nosedive of minus 25, 26% would come up to such a strong level after 2 quarters later. It's not possible at all. But I think the determination of this nation, I think you all has really helped all of us to survive. And today we have the lowest death rates world over. We have really succeeded very well. And in next few hours, maybe 50 to 100 hours, once vaccine rolled out, it is going to boost confidence. Socomec in India has been present for over 2 decades. And they have been manufacturing and coming out with the new technologies as and when required. And we have thousands of customers in India using our product, be it uninterrupted power supply systems, static or modular, be it PV switches for the solar segment, be it changeover switches for the manufacturing process industries, data centers, transfer switches. And today is a very special day when we are unveiling a new state-of-the-art, latest technology product in changeover switches. And you will be seeing a lot of inputs technical inputs, presentations, introduction by my colleagues subsequently. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day and all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Virmani. And after this, let me now ask a simple question to all of you. Well, what according to you is the best part about Socomec? So post your comments in the chat box as we are eager to read them. So it's now time to invite the factory director for his address, and I would read out all the answers sent by all of you on the other side of his address. So let's welcome Jean-Jacques Bouillon, also known as JJB, the factory director.
Namaste. Welcome in Socomec 2021. 2020 was a difficult year. As Sushil explained to us, we succeed in 2021 to be with a lot of new opportunity. And it's the reason we are here today to launch our first product of the year. Socomec already invests a lot in India. India is a strategic country for the group of Socomec. We expect a huge growth in India, and we need to develop more and more adapted product to India. The last few years, we already invest in different range of the product, solar switch, some changeover switch, some transfer switch, some UPS. This investment was already important to develop the industry activity in India, but also for export. But now it's time to upgrade our product, adapt our product for the specific requirement of India. So about this new project, the technical team in India work closely with the French team to launch this new changeover switch that the team will present you with key specification, especially for the aluminum connection and also for the retrofit of the existing product to be able to develop the volume and develop the business in this year 2021. It's a key point for Socomec to follow the Make in India strategy. First, to guarantee the availability of the product, to adapt the costs on the country, but also to maintain the same quality is a key point in our industry strategy to have the same process, the same quality requirement than all the other plants in Socomec Group. So I welcome you on this show, and I'm very proud with all the team to share with you the new product we developed 2020 to face the main challenge of 2021 to recover the COVID difficulty we got last year. So I wish you a nice 2021 with a good growth with all the new product of Socomec. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, JJB, for your wonderful words. And after this, a lot of answers say that the best thing about Socomec is the unbeatable product quality. Some say it is the low voltage switchgear market leader and a lot more. But trust me, the best thing about Socomec is the association of all you wonderful people associated with it. So on this occasion, we would like to thank each one of you for associating with Socomec and making it the most preferred brand of consumers across the globe. Socomec believes in more for you, and it's now time for the showstopper of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day and now is the time where we unveil our new innovative product to all of you. One product that's going to bring change in the market, one product that will make your business grow and reach new heights. As we believe in more for you, so if you are ready, then say a yes in the chat box. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's do it. Say a yes in the chat box. So your wish is our command. Let's welcome the Managing Director, Socomec, Mr. Sushil Vermani, along with George Aquis, Bullion Factory Director, Mr. Vikram Dhingra, General Manager, Sales and Marketing, along with Mr. Vikas Tyagi, Head of Marketing and Technical Support to unveil the product. Well, you've already had a first look of the rejuvenated new SIRCOVER, but this is not it. I would now like to invite Mr. Vikas Tyagi to do a presentation on this new product.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to all our valued partners, distributors as well as end customers. It feels very nice to have all of you here, and I'm sure you would have liked the unveiling of our new SIRCOVER range of products that promises to have more for you. So the new SIRCOVER range of manual transfer switches, let me begin by giving you a short form presentation just to familiarize you with what all changes have been brought about so that it's more easy to promote for you. The new SIRCOVER range is more reliable and contributes to higher overall safety in terms of transfer switching standards. We talk about Socomec Group to begin with. It's associated with the punchline when energy matters. We've been active in the industrial switching market since 1922. That makes it almost 100 years since the inception of the group. And Socomec Group is an undisputed leader in the market of transfer switching because we have the widest range to offer from 25 ampere to 6300 ampere in low voltage installations. So basically this is the fifth iteration of the transfer switching equipment that you are witnessing, you have just witnessed, and there are more than 3 million installations using our TSE worldwide. Why is the need for the transfer switching equipment? Because power outages can occur even in high reliability distribution networks, leading to major incidents and losses on critical applications. Transfer switching equipment finds use in emergency systems, healthcare facilities, server rooms, production lines, and all other critical applications. The needs can be found in segments like buildings, industry, infrastructure. It could be for ATC towers like in airports, or for railways, metro rails, telecom, data center, medical systems, healthcare facilities, as well as for hybrid storage systems. And what are the requirements for the manual transfer switching equipment? So this being one of the symbolic representations as per the IC category. This is the specific definition and symbolic representation on a single line diagram for a transfer switching equipment, as opposed to when circuit breakers are being used in combination. So the transfer switching equipment PC class basically ensures power availability by transferring to an alternative source, also contributes to overall safety of the installations as well as the operating personnel, and an overall enhanced level of reliability. So the different types of usages which one could conceive depend on the industry application. Could be transformer source transfer, it could be genset to genset source transfer, But more commonly what is found in the market in applications is transformer as the mains and generator set, a DG set typically as the emergency source. The purpose of interaction with you is to get your valuable feedback, because we hear from you, your voice is critical to the overall growth of our business. It starts with collation of information based on the field feedback and analyzing this information to gain more insights about the usage or challenges which we might face, and then trying to implement those in terms of enhancing the customer experiences. And let me just begin by showing you some of the key attributes which form the backbone of the new range of SIRCOVER from Socomec, the global switching specialist. These functions and features were already existing in the present SIRCOVER range, but more so pronounced in the new range. So it's about being more secure, more robust, also more adaptable, and the device is also reliable, more durable and flexible. Some of the parts which go into making it a fantastic device is the interface barriers, which are important to prevent the kind of shorting between the faces, auxiliary contacts which are very important, integral to give an enunciation, the switch body per se, shaft along with the external handle to facilitate door mounting, door operation of the SIRCOVER, and the direct handle version as well, along with bridging bars also known as shorting links, which come integrated with the device. Now let me just go point by point about why we call it more reliable. So that's more for you. That's because of enhanced termination capacity, improved clearances between the faces, and it's capable of switching all types of loads without the need for a pre-breaking switch installation upstream. So making it very nice, compact, integrated, compatible with motor as well as mixed loads, going all the way up to severe utilization category associated with inductive loads of AC 33 at 415 volt AC. More secure because it contributes to overall reliable switching mechanism that's fully independent of the user operating speed, and that includes a fail-safe mechanical interlock for all the three positions. Our redesigned interface barrier provides added operational security, switching mechanism that is fully independent of the user operating speed, and that includes a fail-safe mechanism interlock. Robust because the mechanism is robust for carrying all the moving contacts to ensure simultaneous double break, making and breaking per pole, metal mounting legs. So we go down to all these finer details, metal mounting legs for a more secure mounting position, providing ample space clearance to the back of the panel for optimum wiring. So that means more ergonomic, contributes to overall enhanced ergonomy for the system integrator wiring personnel. And it's more durable, tested and proven with a high durability and short circuit withstand for very high level of ICW. Self-cleaning contacts retain performance with virtually no need for maintenance because all the harmful carbon deposits have been taken care of. Fast opening and closing on each pole to reduce wear and tear and enhance the serviceability, service life per se. More flexible because the wiring directly terminates onto the wider terminals with the possibility to add spreaders, providing a very small footprint to the device. And of course, it's more adaptable because it has wider width for termination of aluminum cables, bus bar and spreader terminals for better clearance up to B5 frame. Now, another very unique feature of this device is, I'm sure you would have experienced wonderful quality from our legacy range of changeover switches which have been in service for several decades. I think the name Socomec is synonymous with changeover switches in the context of the transfer switching applications for wide variety of applications in the Indian business scenario. And for such low voltage installations where the old changeover switches need to be replaced with the new range of SIRCOVER, we have a retrofit kit ready. So what it does is basically you have sites where you have experienced the high reliability of our legacy product, and now you have a wonderful new product which is contemporary, which has been designed keeping in view the IEC norms, the spreaded terminals with a lot of other features, and that's possible to replace with the new SIRCOVER by using an accessory which is which can be purchased, and one can go for the retrofit kit in conjunction with the new SIRCOVER, and you are bang opposite a solution where you are able to again start using a Socomec product. So what can be more satisfying than remaining connected with Socomec for so long, and we will also be pleased to service all such requirements. In short, the new SIRCOVER brings more for you by way of increased terminal clearance, enhanced termination capacity, direct aluminum termination possibility, interface barriers are included, integrated spreader terminals, ease of connection, and of course the I would say an icing on the cake is the retrofit kit, which is really remarkable, and you would really appreciate the kind of experience you would have. Talking about the IEC norms, the transfer switching is fully compliant with IEC 60947-6-1 class PC, which is the most specified standard the world over. How it differs from the standard IEC 60947-3 is because it is purpose-built to perform a safer transfer between two sources. When it was a single source, the IEC committee thought -3 suffices, but when it's two sources, they innovated and came up with a new standard, and it's important to comply with the new standard because we are dealing with this new sources. It has got some testing sequences which include temperature rise, short circuit withstands on a more enhanced and pronounced level compared to what is there for isolators. And so it's an all-in-one solution. The standard encapsulates everything, and risk of errors during wiring are minimized when a device is adhering to this advanced standard. End of line testing for each product on the production line itself is mandated, and that's what it makes it truly remarkable and reliable. Suitable isolation requirements according to IEC standards. This is just to give you an idea about what all details are incorporated. It's not just a standard per se to read out from, but there are conditions which need to be complied, and that's pretty tough and requires a lot of back-end planning. So it includes the position indicator as well as 3F test for strength and indication reliability, contact clearance distance, padlocking handles, direct as well as external. The new SIRCOVER product range spans 3 frames. So as you might not be very much familiar with what this frame categorization is, I would just delineate it for you. Frame B3 is from 125 and goes up to CD 200 ampere. B4 is from 250 to 400. B5 is from 630 ampere to CD 800 ampere. So in short, we have a seamless solution from 125 ampere all the way up to 800 ampere CD 4-pole that forms the, I would say, the backbone of the transfer switching industry requirement range. And the related reference numbers will also undergo slight change, and as you can find, it is the 41 GC series all through, and there is no change at present for the remaining frames B6 to B8, 800 to 3200 ampere, which will remain as it is. We also offer a very comprehensive range of sales tools to further enable your endeavor to offer a better product, more in terms of more for the market, I would say, for the customers in terms of catalogs, flyers, instruction manuals, retrofit assembly instructions, drawings. Extensive digital marketing activities have been planned to promote the new offer. All this with an endeavor so that hand in hand we are able to better integrate it into the mainstream. And in terms of customer support, there will be assistance on the commissioning front, periodic inspections, training on sites as well as off-site support, interventions by way of 400 dedicated experts on roll. And our expertise is dedicated to optimize the performance of your low voltage installation equipment during its life cycle. Please get in touch with us on our expert care center hotline or write to us at info.in@socomec.com. Also, I would like to add here, due to existing COVID-induced restrictions, it might not have been possible for a number of our valued partners to be present here. So we have their experience shared via testimonials, where they have recorded their experience of association with Socomec Group about using our earlier generations of transfer switching equipment, the existing SIRCOVER range, and also what they have to say about the new SIRCOVER.
Jai Shri Krishna, Dipen Bhai Kadakya from Darjeeling, Mumbai. Congratulations to the Socomec team for adding a new range of SIRCOVER range. This development of adding spreader terminal will open up opportunity and cater a grid market. All panel builders and contractors will be very happy because it will be very hassle-free fitting and happy selling. Thank you.
Hi, indeed it's a good development by Socomec. Already SIRCOVER is a global product meeting the IEC specifications, and getting a new product, new development of SIRCOVER with integrated spreaders will add more customers to the existing customer base, and it will increase the Socomec customer family. And also with the introduction of the retrofit kit, we will reach the old installations also. Actually, this new product development, it's adding the feather in the cap of Socomec, who always works for the customer focused and customer centric. Actually, I am really excited to see the product, feel the product, and realize the benefits. Always on.
Hello everyone, this is Kunal Shah from Pushpa Sales Corporation, Ahmedabad. We are partners for Socomec since 2014, and the journey has been wonderful. Since the launch of SIRCOVER product, there has been a tremendous surge in the demand of changeover switches, especially since the changeover switches are used in very critical applications. Reliability is the most important thing, and Socomec has never failed in that. With this new launch of the spreaders for the SIRCOVER range and the retrofit solution for the old changeover conversion to the new SIRCOVER range, I think we will be able to cater to bigger market of tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and hoping for the better perspective.
Hello, myself Ashish Agarwal, representing my company Industrial Switchgear and Cables Company from eastern part of India, that is Kolkata, City of Joy. We are distributing Socomec range of changeover switches from since 2000. It is now almost 20 years, and needless to say that our customers are very much happy with the quality and service offered by the Socomec India. SIRCOVER global range, since its launch, was very much appreciated by the customers over here. However, we were facing some issues with respect to their spreader terminals, and there were issues regarding retrofit solution with their existing range of COS changeovers. Now when the new range of SIRCOVER has been launched with a spreader kit and complete retrofit solution, we assume that this will give boost to our sales, and we can do better business in tier 2 and tier 3 cities of West Bengal.
Before I conclude, I would request Mr. Manik Kapoor from System Control to come over on the podium and share his unique experience by way of association with Socomec for the last 5 years, wherein he might have experienced different iterations of our transfer switching equipments, and now with the latest product range, I'm sure he would have some words of wisdom from his perspective. Thanks for your patient hearing.
Good morning. Thank you, Vikasji. It's been an honor, and the extra happiness which brings, you can see that I'm very happy, is to introduce my son Yashwin, who's with me on the dais, and I'll be very happy to ask Yashwin to take it forward from here.
Thank you, everyone. We have been associated with Socomec for 6 remarkable years now. We System Controls and Switchgears are proud to represent Socomec for its transfer switching range of products, UPS, meters, safety enclosures, and PV isolators. We are extremely happy to see the product offerings of Socomec increase year by year and extremely proud of the value addition that Socomec brings with all its products. The recent value additions we would like to share with our customers are as follows. First, retrofit kits for customers who are using cost range of transfer switches and now migrating to the SIRCOVER range. This makes the product user-friendly, especially for retrofitting and to address a large installed base of cost range of products. Socomec also now offers extended terminals to be used while using with aluminum bus bars for termination. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manik and Mr. Vikas. So after this, it's now time to invite Mr. Surjit Singh to technically explain the product to all of us.
Good morning, everyone. I will take this opportunity once again to welcome you all, to all my channel partner and valued customer. My colleague Mr. Vikas has already explained you about the functionality and new range available in our SIRCOVER product range. Now, I will take you further and will show you the range which is as a retrofit available with in this new SIRCOVER range. This new SIRCOVER range which is can help me to replace my existing product and can work as a retrofit solution. So this retrofit solution is available up to 630 ampere in 3 different kits. These kit will help me to replace the existing product which is our legacy product installed in the multiple I will say in 1000 number of installations already on site. Retrofit kit will help me to replace that cost product. So I will show you this retrofit kit which we will able to provide you up to 630 ampere will include few of our components. So I will introduce you in these retrofit kit which all accessories you will get there. The first thing will be interlock assembly which will be part of this new kit. This interlock assembly will help me to install this product. Then there will be offset coupler. So this offset coupler is specially designed so that this product can work on existing product installation. So by using the same handle fitment, you can say. There is a part of interlock assembly. This bracket will help me the same feature which we earlier was able to give, that you can do a interlocking. Internally the door will not get open when product is in any on position, either position 1 or either position 2. Since this product in term of a dimension is slightly different, so to make it comfortably fitment into the existing bus bar fitment, so there is a copper C-link available. This copper C-link will help so that my bus bar alignment will come into same alignment which is already available on site. It will also be requiring to replace the mounting legs because the product which is newly available in this SIRCOVER range, they will come with the existing mounting leg. So you need to use these mounting legs which will be inside of this retrofit kit so that it can help to match the dimension of bus bar termination. As I said, there will be a need of a new mounting leg. So it means at the same time you need to make a new hole for the installation fitment of a new product. So now we will see this physically in our existing panel where our old product is already there. So we will use this our new SIRCOVER and this retrofit kit to install in this existing panel. We have this our existing installation of our previous cost range of our product. So first safety concern, we need to switch off the panel as it is already working online. so we need to switch off. Then we can open the panel. I would like to call my teammate which will help me to replace this product. So this is possible. They will replace these bus bars. Now our new product, this new SIRCOVER. So this SIRCOVER product have a higher width of our terminals. So they need to remove this input side of bus bars as well. So because our new product is having a higher width and also spreaded contacts. So those spreaded contact will help me to terminate the bus bars which are already on the installations. Like if you see in this panel, although this is copper bus barring, but maybe on your side you can have a aluminium bus bar termination also possible there because of this spreaded contact, which is a part of our new product, our new SIRCOVER range of our product. But now my this product can have this phase barrier as well, but because now my contact are spreaded. So if those are spreaded, so my phase barrier is also designed in such a way that it will be in that inclined into that direction. So finally we are able to take out the existing product from the panel. So now I will show this template, how it will help me. I will slightly remove this. So by using this new template, you can paste here on the back plate of the panel, and you can see you have an existing hole and where you need to mark a new holes, because as I explained earlier, this new product will have a new mounting leg, and for that you need to use a new mounting holes to mount this product. So now we will put new product there. Yes. So you can see our this new SIRCOVER range of product, which is available now with the spreader terminal. So these spreader terminal will help me to accommodate on the same bus barring. But as I explained you earlier also, that because my this face to face distance is now increased, so for that I need to use these copper ceilings. So these ceilings will be get installed on these terminals, and finally this will help me to align my bus bar from existing installation. So as you can see, with using those template, we are able to make a new hole in the existing panel, and with these new holes we can fix our this SIRCOVER product. So now you can see, I will just explain this, because the bottom side of a bus bar, which are of a source 2, they are able to get terminate on the same width which was earlier on the bus bar. So now front side also they are able to align the bus bar of the same product. Look, this output bus bar, which are also you are able to see. Now my crew will help me to tighten on the terminal, but you can see the dimension wise it is on the same pitch. So finally we are able to terminate output bus bar as well. So everything of power termination is completed now. So now the second step will be how to get operational this product. So for that we need to associate it with the door. So for that we have two accessories. So crew will help me. Yes. So one part is this. This is offset coupler. So as I said, this is offset coupler. So you can see the movement there. So this movement will help me, because this product is installed in one location, but my this interlock assembly, because now the last part will be the replacement of this, but this part is already available on the panel door. So I will try to match the same dimension as I try to match the same termination. So now who will fix this? So then we can see how this interlock is helping in terms of operation. So this new interlock assembly, this pin will be, you will get a loose in a retrofit kit. There is a logic why, because you have a existing installation in the panel and you will remove, my crew has already removed the existing interlock. So you can fix it and after that you will able to use this pin. So now I will take a help of my crew member, because they need to use this interlock bracket as well, because this bracket is specially designed based on my this offset coupler. So they will just fix it. So you can see our new interlock kit is assembled already in the panel. So as I explained, at the behind you have a interlock bracket. So here now we need to assemble this pin. So crew, just do that. So we need a small Allen key. Okay, done. So now this pin has also got assembled. So now our last action would be to close the door and to fix the handle. So please fix the handle there. Yes. So close the door. Yes. So our installation of this product and direct handle, so everything is complete. So now panel is live. So I will show you which thing I have explained you, that interlock is there, but at that same time if you will try to open the panel, the door will be interlocked. So this is a safety feature of product, so that if my bus bar is live on any source, so handle door should not get open. So this is the I am completing the installation by doing this. So I feel you are able to see all the things, how our new SIRCOVER range. So I hope this will help to take care of all the installation. Still you need any help from us, you need to get in touch with us, our customer care number, and you can contact us on our email ID as well for any further detail, or we will be very happy to help you all. Thank you.
Well, we would like to thank Mr. Surjit Singh for his wonderful technical insights. So you now have the details of the rejuvenated new SIRCOVER, and this would remove, I'm sure, all the blocking points and help you grow your business at a much, much faster pace. Well, as I say, more for you, we really mean it. We really have much more in stock for you. The greatest rewards come only from the greatest commitments. Having said that, it is now time to honor the top 3 distributors. So I would now request Mr. Vikram Thingra, General Manager, Sales and Marketing, to join me on the stage as I now announce the awards. Hello, Mr. Dhingra. It's now time to honor our awardees, and this is for All India Top Sales. This is for the distributors. The 3rd prize goes to Mohan Exim India Private Limited, Bangalore. Well, big congratulations to Mohan Exim. And it's now time for the 2nd prize. So the All India Top Sales 2nd prize goes to SR Enterprise, Pune. Again, it is indeed a matter of big congratulations to SR Enterprise. Well, it's now time for the 1st position. So the All India Top Sales 1st position goes to System Control and Switchgear, New Delhi. Well, a big congratulations to all our winners, and I would now request Mr. Vikram Thingra to say a few words to our achievers.
I would like to congratulate all these winners, Mr. Manik, Mr. Vinod Jain and Mr. Himanshu, for demonstrating such a wonderful performance during this time when we were struggling to reach to our last year numbers, and you know, we were trying all ways of connecting digital with the customers. All of you have gone out of your way to reach to your customer, to connect with your customer, and you demonstrated such a wonderful performance. All the very best, and I wish you a very, very good performance, continued performance for the year 2021. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Vikram. So success is no magic. It is rather a chain reaction where our salesperson are an integral element of the success. So it's now time to honor the top salesperson. And the best region award goes to the West region. Ladies and gentlemen, a big congratulations to the West region. And after this, it's now time to announce the best salesperson, and this goes to Mr. Saurabh Chokse. Well, with this, I would request Mr. Vikram Tingra to share his concluding remarks.
A very good morning to all of you. It's my honor and privilege to extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you on this digital launch of our new product, SIRCOVER. At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude for your long association with Socomec. We are grateful for this long-term association. As Mr. Virmani mentioned in his inaugural address, that we have gone through a difficult time. Together, we are facing a truly unprecedented situation. The global coronavirus, the pandemic, has been affecting all of our lives, the way we do business, the way we run the economy, all it is affecting. But there is a saying, when going gets tough, the tough gets going. Means when situation becomes difficult, it is the strong person who does hard work to overcome of these challenges. And that's how this team, the Socomec team, the front-end team, the distributors have demonstrated extremely good performance in last 3 quarters. If we see last 3 quarters, the performance have been improving quarter over quarter. Quarter 2 was better than quarter 1, quarter 3 was better than quarter 2, and last quarter was even better than quarter 3. We are heading towards a very, very strong economy. I am very, very confident this year is going to be a wonderful year. Yeah, if you see India's economy, which is showing decisive signs of V-shaped recovery in 2021 with the return of consumer confidence, robust financial markets, and uptick in manufacturing. There are few industries which, if you observe last 3 quarters, like pharma, medical, digital companies, they are among those companies which are witnessing a very, very good jump in their business. In fact, Socomec has been proud to be associated with many such companies who do business in pharma, data center. As per new norm, RBI wants all payment companies to store financial data within India. And where do they store this data? Of course, in data centers. And this data localization, the new norm, could be one of the big booster for India's renewable energy. As per one study, by 2020, 20% of world's energy could be consumed by data centers. And another good news, with India about to roll out its vaccination program with approvals of these 2 vaccines, the accruals of the economic benefits would be significant. According to the SOCAM, the most definitive of the data is record collection of rupees 1.15 lakh crore in GST collection in December. What a great news. If we see last 3 quarters, the GST collection have been improving quarter over quarter. If you see during this difficult time, the corona time, we have also learned that how to connect with the customer using this digital platform. If you see right from a 2-year kid to even 60-year-old employee, even today, all are connecting with the customer or their schools. So data is going to be a big new business in coming days. We will continue to leverage this tool and connect with more and more customers till we reach the full normalcy. As we enter in 2021, from my side, I would like to ensure that we will have a very aggressive plans in the area of one, specification, activity, including government departments like PWD, CPWD, MES and so on. We will enhance the end user interface by more site visits. The third area where I am personally getting involved is enhance customer connect with our distributors by providing technical support and training focus. And finally, today you have seen we have launched a product which is more adaptable, which is more flexible, more robust. With these kind of product, we will provide a new product which can fetch you a new business in the market, which will be a versatile product for our in the Socomec basket. I can promise from my side that we will continue our support with the full zest and zeal, and we would like to see 2021 as one of the best year in the coming years. I wish you a great year ahead. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dhingra. So it's now time to invite one of our strong associated distributor since last 5 years with Socomec, Mr. Piyush Garg, to share his views on the new product and share the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. Thank you all for being a part of this particular Socomec event. And it's again a remarkable day that Socomec has unveiled this new retrofitting kit for their SIRCOVER range of products. This particular range helps us fit our good old installation, which was there in the Indian market for more than 2 decades now. Socomec has been an integral part of our business at Balaji Switchgears, and the association goes back for more than 28 years now. And we are proud to know that with this particular new developments, we are here in the market for a much longer run. Our customers are very much comfortable with this particular product. So whenever you go to your customer and your consultants with this particular product, be rest assured you are offering them the best. Be happy, stay safe and take care.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we now come to the end of today's product launch. It has been indeed a lovely day with all of you. Once again, on behalf of Socomec, we would like to thank each and every distributor, salesperson, and our valued customers for being associated with Socomec. Thank you.